Did you know you can customize the block language and color contrast in the Scratch Project Editor? To change the color contrast, under the Settings menu, find Color Mode and select Original or High Contrast Mode. High contrast blocks may be more accessible and easier to read for some users. You can always switch back and forth between these color modes. If you'd like to change the Scratch Editor block and menu text to another language, under the Settings menu, find Language and choose your language. Thanks to our incredible volunteer translator community, there are over 75 languages to choose from. We're just scratching the surface.